Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.